Hello, Virgo people. From May 16th to 31st, 2025, the stars are guiding you toward growth in work, wellness, and communication. Let's explore how you can make the most of this productive and transformative energy. This period highlights your career and daily routines. With practical Saturn influencing your work sector, focus on building stability and tackling long-term goals. Your diligence pays off. Opportunities for recognition or advancement may arise, so stay consistent and detail-oriented. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, sparking clarity and luck in communication. It's a great time for pitching ideas, learning new skills, or resolving misunderstandings. Mid-month also brings energy to prioritize your health and well-being. Establish habits that nurture your body and mind. Whether it's through exercise, meditation, or better time management, small changes can lead to big results. As May 25th approaches, Mars energizes your communication sector. Speak up confidently about your needs and ideas. Collaborations thrive under this influence, but avoid overthinking. Trust your instincts. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, challenging balance between responsibility and change. Stay adaptable while sticking to your values. Your analytical nature will help you find practical solutions. Remember, Virgo, your strength lies in your precision and care. Use these traits to move forward, but don't forget to celebrate your progress. Embrace flexibility when needed and let go of perfectionism holding you back. The universe supports your journey toward growth and harmony. Trust yourself. You've got this, Virgo.